golf ball coming your way.
This is how to make a golf ball explode.
In 3D. See the thick smoke? Blue bunny. Blue bunny.
What if it shot into him and it like caught him on fire?
What, right through their windshield? They're gonna be mad at us. Well, they got something up there. Let's get the house.
Oh, it just blew up. It's still spinning around right there. There it is. It's done now. Here's the golf ball. This is the inside of it. It's pretty bouncy, Ma. All this string unwrapped. So yeah, basically all I did was took the golf ball and I wrapped it in newspaper and lit it on fire.
That's a nice string. Isn't it?
And this is what's left of it.
Yep.
And the little bouncy ball part.
Which is a lot like.
And here's the other one.
This is the first
We
one
did it twice. It's pretty cool.
That's honeycomb stuff. That's actually the dimples on the golf ball. And then this is what the inside.
And that's the strings where the ball shot out.
Sorry, got it.
See ya.